and you will keep. Guava, peach, apple, grapes, orange, pomegranate, papaya, banana, pineapple, banana keep, pineapple keep. Why removing pineapple? Okay, give grapes, orange, yes. Papaya, no, papaya, no, papaya. Chudu, papaya, no, look, papaya. Give me papaya. Give auntie papaya, give. Guava, where is guava? Chudu, guava. Look, guava. Chudu, look here. Guava. Give me guava. Give auntie guava. Dhruva, try to say. Chudu. Guava. Chapu. Chudu. Gugu will say. Gugu, you say.
Guava.
Yes. You say. Dhruva. Chudu. Guava.
Yeah, this is guava.
Dhruva Nana, you say guava.
Guava.
Dhruva, chudu. Chapu, guava. Okay, fine. Give me watermelon. Give. Apple. Where is apple? Dhruva Nana, where is apple? Apple. Chudu. Okay. Orange. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pineapple. Where is pineapple? Dhruva Nana, pineapple. Chudu, pineapple. Yes, give. Where is mango? Chudu, mango. Where is mango? Chudu. Yes. Papaya. Where is papaya? Yes. Good. Dhruva Nana, chudu. Papaya. Okay, give me papaya. Good boy. Okay. Peach. Give me peach. Okay. Melon. Guava. Give me guava. Good boy. Mango. Pomegranate. Banana. Okay, banana. Grapes. Open, close. Open, close. Close. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Yes. We will do again and again. We will do. Give me your hand. Right hand. Keep it here. Yes, like this. Close. Open. 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 Close. Keep your hand, right hand here, like this. Open. Close. Open. Hand exercise, Dhruva, we need to do. Then only you can able to write. Open. Close. Open. Open your hands. Yes, close. close, open, close, small a, small a, small a. Look here, small a. Okay, what we did that day? See, give me your hand. See, capital A, small a, capital A, small a, capital A, small. Yes, right, small a. On the dots, on the dots. Okay, yes, on the dots. Yes, good boy. Yes, very good boy. Good boy. Okay, fine. Next, sit properly. Write properly, Dhruva. Write properly. Look here and write. Dhruva Nana, hold it properly. You are not holding properly. Hold like this. Uh-huh. No, we should hold like this. Okay? Hold like this. And then write. Yes, now you write. Now you write. You write on the dots. You write. On the dots. Properly. On the dots. Chudu here. On the dots. On the dots. Just you sit properly and write. Yes. Yes. Keep your hand here. Now write. Yes. Yes. On the dots. Yes. Okay. Fine. Okay. Ho gaya. This one. Dhruvanana, do properly. Yes. Here. Here. Dhruva, do properly. On the line. Yes. Yes. Okay. This one. On the line. Not doing online. Chudu. Where is your line? On the line. Very good boy. Good boy. Yes. Hold properly, Dhruva. Yes. Good boy. Very good one. On the line. Yes. Good boy. Small a. Chapu. See. Small. Keep your finger. Small a. Small a. Capital B. Small b. Capital B. Small b. Okay. So today again we will write small b. What we will write? Small b. Okay. You hold. 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 Now write from here. Write small b. Yes. On the line. On the line. Here. See, standing line. Not from here. Oddu. From here. You need to start from here. Curve. Standing line. Like this. Curve. See, standing line. Then curve. From here you need to start. Not from here. No. Okay now. Now write. Standing line. Stop. Now from here. Here. From here. Keep. From here. Keep like this. From here. Here. Very good. B. Small b. Again here. Standing line. Okay. Here. Yes. Small b. Standing line. From here. Small b. On the line. Properly. On the line. Chudu. On the line. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Again. Standing line. From here. On the line. Chudu. Look here properly. Yes. Standing line. Yes. Again from here. Curve. This is small b. Standing line. curve from here. Yes. Small. On the dots. On the dot. Hmm. Hmm. Good boy. And see here on the line, Chudu. Good boy. Here also on the line. Here also. Here also. See, Chudu, this one. This one. This is capital C, pedda C. This is small c, chinna c. Okay. C, small c. Okay, on the dots. Small c. Very good. Again here. On the dots. Chudu, on the dots. Yes. Okay, bus. On the dots. On the dots. Look here. On the dots. Here also write properly, Chudu. On the dots. Then, okay, fine. Okay, over. Here. On the dots. Okay. Small c. Small. Write this one. Okay, on the line. On the line. One. On the line, yes. Do properly, Chudu. Do properly. On the line. On the line. And I said, Chudu. On the line. On the line. Now, right? On the line. Good boy. On the line. Properly. Hey. On the line. Yes. On the line. On the line. Write properly. Two. Yes. Two. On the line. On the dots, Chudu. On the dots. Two. Okay. This is what? See, Chudu, this is circle.
Right.
You need to color inside this circle. Okay? Yes, do coloring.
Then purpley.
Yes, hold the color properly, Dhruvanana.
Purpley.
Properly.
Essay.
Yes, properly.
Essay.
Yes, properly.
Wanna purpley drink.
Yes, properly.
Paper. Wanna see purpley. Wanna see?
Okay. See, white is here, still white is there.
White this. White. This is white is this.
Yes, still there.
White this still is
Here,
there.
here.
White is still there.
Yes.
Wanna purpley.
Good boy. Good boy. Here. Here. Hold properly.
Hold purpley.
Keep here. Train. Ship. No. Give me train. Helicopter. Do like this. Helicopter.